Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we bring you one of the most dramatic nights of strikes in the Middle East. Israel has unleashed a wave of precision operations, eliminating key figures from ISIS in Gaza, striking down a Hamas spokesman, and even targeting the Prime Minister of the Houthis. What makes this event shocking is not just the timing, but the advanced technology that made it possible. From satellites in orbit to stealth jets cutting through the night sky, these strikes were carefully planned and executed. This isn't just a story of politics or war. It's a showcase of cutting-edge military technology shaping real-world events. Stay tuned as we break down the strategies, the weapons, and the deeper meaning behind these strikes. By the end of this video, you'll understand why this night may change the balance in the region for years. Let's start in Gaza, where Israel launched a precision strike that eliminated the leader of ISIS operations in the region. For years, this figure was believed untouchable, moving through tunnels and protected by layered defenses. But Israel's advanced intelligence network combined satellite tracking, signals interception, and artificial intelligence to locate him at the exact moment of vulnerability. The strike was carried out with a drone, launched smart munition capable of hitting within centimeters of its target while minimizing civilian casualties. What makes this significant is how technology bypassed traditional defenses. No heavy bombing, no massive air raid, just one silent drone above the clouds. Military experts note this could represent a new chapter in counterterrorism, where pinpoint strikes replace large-scale campaigns. It's a chilling reminder of how modern warfare relies less on numbers and more on precision, leaving enemies with nowhere to hide. Next, Israel turned its sights on Hamas. The target, a senior spokesman, often seen as the voice of the organization in the media. Striking a figure like this isn't just about silencing a person. It's about disrupting propaganda networks that fuel recruitment and morale. The operation used advanced electronic warfare to jam local communications and create a temporary blackout in the area. Within seconds, a precision-guided missile launched from an F-35 stealth fighter hit the exact location. The speed and stealth of the F-35 allowed it to bypass radar and defenses completely undetected. This shows how air superiority today is not about dogfights in the sky, but about invisibility and control of the electromagnetic spectrum. Removing a propaganda head sends shockwaves beyond the battlefield. It weakens the narrative Hamas uses to justify conflict. Technology, in this case, became a weapon not just of destruction, but of information dominance. The most surprising strike of the night came hundreds of miles away, targeting Ahmed al-Rahawi, the Prime Minister of the Houthi rebels in Yemen. How did Israel reach that far, deep into enemy-controlled territory? The answer lies in long-range strike capabilities. Reports suggest Israel deployed submarine-launched cruise missiles capable of traveling over 1,000 kilometers with pinpoint accuracy. These missiles fly low, hugging the terrain to avoid radar detection and strike with devastating precision. Such a capability demonstrates that Israel's reach isn't limited to its borders. It can project power across the region, hitting strategic figures anywhere they operate. Military analysts believe this was also a message to Iran and other backers of the Houthis that no target is beyond Israel's scope. This strike was more than just an elimination. It was a show of strategic dominance, powered by advanced naval and missile technologies. To understand these strikes fully, we need to look at the intelligence backbone behind them. Modern warfare isn't just about weapons, it's about data. Israel is known for having one of the most advanced intelligence networks in the world, blending human spies, cyber surveillance, and satellite reconnaissance. Artificial intelligence plays a massive role, processing terabytes of intercepted data to predict enemy movements and identify weak points. For example, AI can track phone signals, cross-check patterns, and even anticipate where a target will be tomorrow. Combined with drones that provide real-time imagery and satellites that watch entire regions at once. This creates a digital battlefield where nothing goes unseen. These strikes show that intelligence gathering has moved far beyond human reports. It's now a fusion of cyber, space, and machine learning, making every target traceable. In today's wars, information is the ultimate weapon. Now let's talk about the delivery systems. Gone are the days when massive bomber fleets were needed to take down a single target. Israel's strikes highlight how precision-guided munitions are redefining warfare. From small smart bombs that minimize collateral damage to cruise missiles capable of flying hundreds of kilometers, the arsenal is built around accuracy. Many of these weapons use GPS, laser guidance, or even AI-based target recognition to adjust in real time. Some can even loiter in the air, waiting for the perfect window to strike. This not only reduces risks to pilots, but also increases the certainty of mission success. It also sends a powerful messaging technology, gives militaries the ability to act with surgical precision, changing the very psychology of conflict. Enemies can no longer feel secure behind walls, tunnels, or distance. Precision is the new power. Air dominance is another critical element. Israel's use of the F-35 stealth fighter during these operations is a prime example. The F-35 is not just a jet, it's a flying command center, equipped with advanced sensors, electronic warfare systems, and stealth design. It can see the battlefield in ways no other aircraft can. During the strikes, the F-35 likely gathered intelligence, jammed enemy radar, and coordinated with drones in real time. Its ability to remain invisible to enemy defenses gave Israel the edge to strike first and strike silently. What makes the F-35 so powerful is its ability to merge multiple technologies into one platform: stealth, speed, precision, and data fusion. In modern warfare, whoever controls the skies controls the outcome. The F-35 ensures Israel holds that advantage, turning the battlefield into a one-sided contest where enemies are seen long before they even know they're exposed. Beyond air power, electronic warfare played a decisive role. Before each strike, Israel likely used jamming and cyber techniques to blind enemy radar, cut off communications, and prevent counterattacks. Imagine trying to defend your position while your radars show empty skies, your radios are silent, and your drones suddenly stop responding. This is the invisible battlefield of the electromagnetic spectrum. By controlling it, Israel ensured that its strikes would go unanswered. Some reports suggest that cyber tools may have even been used to disable security systems around targets. This combination of cyber and physical attacks demonstrates the future of hybrid warfare, where digital and kinetic power strike hand in hand. No bullet fired, no visible plane overhead, yet the enemy is already defeated before the missile even lands. Technology turns the unseen into the ultimate battlefield advantage. The global reaction to these strikes has been intense. Allies are watching closely, impressed by the precision and reach of Israel's military technology. At the same time, adversaries are alarmed, realizing that their leaders are no longer safe, no matter how deeply hidden or protected they are. For Israel, this night wasn't only about eliminating threats, it was about deterrence. By showing that it can strike ISIS in Gaza, Hamas in their strongholds, and Houthis in Yemen, Israel has sent a message: distance and defenses offer no protection. This will likely push adversaries to rethink their strategies, while allies may seek closer cooperation to access similar technology. In modern geopolitics, demonstrations of power are as much about perception as results. And with these strikes, Israel has positioned itself as a regional power unmatched in precision warfare. As we close this breakdown, it's clear the night of strikes was more than just military action. It was a display of the future of warfare. Precision, intelligence, stealth, and cyber dominance all combined to eliminate enemies across multiple fronts without massive battles. This shows us how wars of the future will be fought, not with huge armies clashing in open fields, but with small, surgical operations powered by technology. For Israel, this night reinforces its image as a technological powerhouse with unmatched reach. For its adversaries, it is a chilling warning that nowhere is safe. And for the world, it's a reminder of how quickly the battlefield is evolving. If you found this analysis informative, make sure to subscribe, drop a like, and stay tuned for more deep dives into the technologies shaping global security today. Until next time, stay informed and stay prepared.